Okay folks, 2022 Ford Tremor, 1-ton. Oscar here at Raritan Dodge Jeep. Got the ceramic coat done. Did it on the topper and everything, and on the wheels. This is my 22 FQS puller. Boy, it really came out nice. It's beautiful. They did a really good job. If you know anybody that needs ceramic coating, and they put the treatment on the inside, the seats and everything, well, you just can't beat the work that they do here. It's incredible. Thank you, Tracy, for hooking me up with him, making this happen. This is awesome. Next thing I need to do is get some black lug nuts for the wheels. The winch, I wanted the black appearance package. That never was able to happen, but it's growing on me. I like the chrome too. Hell, boy, I love it. They did a great job. All right.